Well, that was an interesting experience. The aggregate was quite challenging to mix with my mud mixer. This would obviously work better if I had some kind of a real concrete mixer or a planetary mixer or something like that. I suspect that the basalt aggregate, it was a mix of quarter minus and half inch. I think that was half inch, or maybe it was 3/8 of an inch. I think it was a half an inch. And I think there's two things about that. One, the aggregate made it rather difficult to mix, but also the fines, I think, I don't know, maybe I want to use the term pozzolanic in that case because it's basalt, but I think it was more reactive with the mix. And so I noticed when I was done mixing it, and or maybe I just put too much aggregate in, it was very, very dense. And combined with this thixotropic nature of the geopolymer and and just all of the other factors made it really challenging to even get out of the bucket. But also, because of that thixotropic nature, I was able to just get it to spread out evenly by vibrating it. And what I did was use my, like, probably almost 30-year-old reciprocating saw without a blade in it. I just turned it on, and then I just held it against the side of the mold, and I was able to vibrate it and get it to settle into place really well. So that actually all worked out nicely. And what we ended up with, if you look here, is this. There are some bubbles on the surface, and I have misted it just to keep some moisture on there. I also have a piece of plastic on it that I'll put over it and try to keep it nice and moist as it's setting. But I'm pretty happy with the outcome. Hopefully the larger aggregate will not make it prone to falling apart, because the thickness of this is only, it's maybe half an inch thick. So I will get a cover on this, a little bit more of a mist, and we'll see how this goes.